In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish site in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a live Framer site offline safely, what to expect when you do, and a few helpful tips to avoid surprises. First, head over to Framer. Open the Framer website in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct workspace. Navigate to the project for the site you want to take offline. Unpublishing affects the live version of that specific project, so double check you're in the right place before moving on. If you manage multiple sites, it helps to glance at the project thumbnail or title so you don't unpublish the wrong one. Next, open the project settings. Look for the settings icon, typically a gear or the settings label, near the top of the project interface. Click it to enter the settings view. This is where Framer centralizes controls for your site's publishing status, domains, and other project level options, so you can manage everything without leaving the editor. Now find and click Unpublish. Inside Settings, you'll see a section dedicated to the site status. The Unpublish option is there to disable the live version. Clicking Unpublish doesn't delete your work. It simply removes the site from public access. Your pages, components, and design files remain intact in Framer, ready for edits or a future relaunch. A confirmation will appear, and you'll click Unpublish again to finalize. This second click is a safeguard to make sure you really intend to take the site offline. Once confirmed, Framer starts the process of removing the live version. Depending on caching and DNS, your custom domain or Framer URL may show a not found page or a default message for a short time, which is normal. A few quick notes to keep in mind. Unpublishing is ideal when you're doing a major overhaul, fixing critical issues, or pausing a campaign. Your content stays private in the editor, so you can keep working without exposing unfinished changes. If you need temporary access instead of a full takedown, password protection or draft workflows may be better options, but unpublishing is the most clear-cut way to make the site inaccessible to the public. Also, analytics will stop collecting live traffic while the site is offline, and search engines may continue to show cached results briefly until they recrawl. When you're ready to go live again, return to the project and use Publish to relaunch. That's it. Simple, direct, and fully reversible on your timeline.